So today we're gonna make a rice dish inspired by the Greek islands. So we've got tomatoes and olives and oregano and feta cheese. It's as easy to make as it is to love. And check out how beautiful the Santorini rice is too. To make it, we start with adding lots of flavor to the rice. Begin by heating olive oil in a large saucepan. Add the diced onion, salt, and pepper. Give that a good stir, and once the onion has softened a bit, add the chopped garlic and allow that to cook for a minute or so as well. Once the garlic has softened and becomes fragrant, stir in the rice and add the chicken stock. When it comes to a boil, put the lid on top and turn the heat to low. When the rice is fully cooked, turn off the heat and add the chopped fresh oregano. Stir that around really well, then transfer the rice mixture to a large mixing bowl. Add in the freshly squeezed lemon juice, olive oil, Kalamata olives, tomatoes, and feta cheese. Stir it to combine everything really well, and then transfer it to a serving dish. Sprinkle with crumbled feta and fresh oregano or parsley, and that's all there is to it. Another thing that's great about this Santorini-inspired rice is that it pairs well with just about any protein. You can serve it with chicken, seafood, fish, even grilled steak. You can find the recipe for Santorini rice at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.